So hey guys, I'm Ranga here. This video is going to be about how to delete an unwanted EFI partition sitting around your hard disk or your SSD in your computer guys. So I will show you how to do this in this video guys. But before entering into the video, let me warn you about one thing guys. Generally it is not advised to delete an EFI partition guys, because EFI partition contains all the important boot files for the operating system, and deleting an EFI partition may actually make your computer unbootable. So it is generally not advised to do that. But in my case guys, I had actually Linux and Windows dual boot. Now that I am going to switch distro, I actually deleted all the Linux files which I had in my computer by going to the control panel in Windows. I deleted all the Linux files, but the EFI partition cannot be deleted normally guys. It requires some special steps to delete. So in this video I am going to show you how to delete that unwanted EFI partition guys. Again, be sure that EFI partition which you are going to delete is not needed to you in any way, because if you do delete the required EFI partition by mistake, you will then end up breaking your computer for sure. With that said, be careful doing the process, and if you are having the same case as mine, like where you want to remove a dual boot, this video is going to be helpful for you guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you end up liking this video, hit that like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. With that said, let's play the intro and head into the video. So guys, here is my laptop as you can see, and first to delete the EFI file system, you should first locate where it is. To that, just go here to the search bar and then type disk mgmt and like this, and you will get this option which you can see right over here. Click on the option and full screen. Now here as you can see, this is my disk, and here I am having an EFI partition, and here I am having another EFI partition. Guys, this EFI partition which I have over here is for Windows, and this one which I have over here is the one which I created for the Linux dual boot. But now since I am switching distros, I do not need this EFI partition anymore, so I am going to delete this one. Guys, make sure not to delete the wrong EFI partition. For example, in my case, if I end up deleting this one by mistake, then I will just end up breaking my computer and then Windows will become unbootable. So make sure which EFI partition you want to delete and then proceed guys. So now I am trying to delete it by doing a right click, and as you can see here, this delete volume option is not available. This is because guys, EFI partition requires some escalated privileges to delete. Now let's actually see how to do that guys. Now again, go here and type cmd, which is command prompt, cmd like this, and you will get the command prompt option and click on run as administrator. Yes, and command prompt will open like this guys, and once command prompt opens, we are going to use a tool called as disk part, which will actually delete the EFI partition for us. To do that, just type disk part like this and then press enter, and now it will enter into the disk part guys. Now you need to select the disk which has the EFI partition. To do that, let's actually type list space disk like this and then press enter, and it is, as you can see, my PC is having two different disks, disk 0 and disk 1. Now in the disk management, we saw that disk 0 is the one which is having the EFI partition now. So I am again going to go to the command prompt, and then I am going to select the disk 0 which is having the EFI partition. So select SEL space disk 0, and it will tell disk 0 is now selected. Now we need to view what are the partitions are present inside the disk 0. So type list space partitions like this, press enter again, and as you can see, it is displaying the partitions available inside the disk. Now guys, you should be very careful here, because I am having two EFI partitions. The partition 1 also says system, partition 9 also says system. Both of these are EFI partition. Now I know very well that the partition 1 belongs to Windows and partition 9 belongs to Linux, and now I want to delete the partition 9 because I don't want it anymore and I am switching distros as I said. So to delete partition 9 which has the Linux EFI, I am going to just select the partition first. Select partition 9 TITION space 9, and it will tell partition 9 is now selected. Guys, again be very careful about this. Select the right partition which you want to delete. Now we are actually going to delete the partition, guys. So now let's actually type delete space partition. Guys, as I said, EFI partition requires some escalated privileges to be deleted. So we are going to add one more command which says override. So your final command will look something like this: delete partition override, enter, and as you can see, diskpart successfully deleted the partition. Now just exit diskpart and then exit command prompt. Now guys, as you can see, in this disk we are having only one EFI partition. We are not having the two EFI partitions which we had earlier, but that 500 MB of EFI partition which we had earlier now has been added to the free space. So this is how you delete a EFI partition, guys. Again, I am telling you, be very careful with this. Don't make any mistake by deleting the wrong EFI partition, because you will end up breaking your computer then. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you would have successfully deleted the EFI partition with the help of this video, guys. But guys, again, if you are actually removing a dual boot, this is not just necessary, guys. You need to do some more steps, about which I have actually talked in my another video, guys. I will give a link in the description, and also that video will pop up somewhere on the top now. Just click that and go and watch that video to how to remove properly the dual boot from your computer, guys. So that's it for this video. Hope to meet you in my next one, guys. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye.